Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, Ma Victoria Breeze. Today I will do a cookies. This is a peanut butter cookies because this peanut butter nobody use it, and to be used we just make it as a cookies. So this is our ingredients. We have 2 cups of plain flour, half cup of white sugar, 2 egg yolk, half teaspoon of salt, 1.5 teaspoon of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 of olive oil, and 3/4 of milk butter. So we just put all in here in the basin where I was using for as my baking. And we ready the baking tray and baking paper. You just mix the salt, the baking powder, it will be baked for, and now I will mix the sugar. So I'll put now the milk butter. And the oil. There is still something left in here. We just mix so it will be incorporated all the ingredients. We'll mix also the vanilla and the egg yolk. And lastly, we put the peanut butter. It's better that I will use my hand, because I cannot really mix it. Little bit more. So we just mix. And I preheat the oven for about 170 Celsius. It will be baked for about 12 minutes. Should have something with space. Oven. Throw. And now it's ready to put in the oven. We just roll that one and then flatten. And we timer it for 12 minutes. Our cookies is done. So we just only cool down and taste it later. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe, like, comments, and share. Please don't forget to click the bell button so you'll be notified in my next video. Thank you once again and bye-bye.